Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add hover effect on image in Wix. So let's go to the browser and open editor.wix.com or editing page of Wix. Then you have to click on this plus icon. If you want to use the hover image on home page, then you have to choose home page. Then click on any hover you want. I'm choosing this hover. Now you have to do it the position. I have made this position here. Now you have to click on this change image and you can select image from here, or you can upload uh, image from your computer. I have uploaded this one, so I'm clicking this one and you can see that your page year has been changed. Now you have to click on hover option. Now click on again this page and click on change image or change picture. Now you have to choose another picture you want. I'm choosing this one. Click on OK and the picture will be added here. Okay, that's it. Now you have to click on preview to show this how it's work. Now if you hover up your mouse cursor on this page, you can see that the image has been changed this to this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.